The health minister of Jamaica said them are going to ban rum and boom special drinking in Jamaica. But I want to ask the health minister a question. When you ban rum and boom special drinking, are we still going to see rum and boom up on the shelves, in the bars and in the shops for sale legally? Or are you going to ban rum and boom? Like, no more rum in Jamaica, no more boom. Or are you going to ban boom and leave the rum so they cannot mix rum and boom together? Or are you going to ban rum and leave the boom so they cannot mix rum and boom together? Because banning rum and boom special and still having rum and boom in the shops and the bars up on the shelves for sale, then I don't see no sense in that. Because anyone can go to the shop or the bar and buy a flask of rum and buy their boom and go home and mix their own special at home and sip up, intoxicated, jump in their car, drive, and cause the same accident that uno a try to avoid, that uno said caused by drinking rum and boom special. So the problem still wouldn't solve. So when I listened to the health minister, he made some point which I agree with. Some very scientific points in regards to mixing the energy drink with the rum, the effect of it. Yeah, those are some valid points. And I want to warn all of the virgin them in Jamaica who are drink up this rum and boom and this Hennessy mixed with Red Bull. Them think they're not good for no liver. Them think they cause high blood pressure